Lighting like this versus this, same camera, same setup, just one upgrade. This is the Elgato Key Light, and it might just be the easiest way to instantly level up your videos. Inside you get a light, a user guide, a plug and a desk mount. Setup is super minimal. It clamps straight to your desk, so there are no bulky tripods, which already makes your setup look cleaner. And it's got mounting points on all four sides, so you can position it however you want, vertical or horizontal, whatever fits your setup. It took me about 5 minutes to get it up and running, including downloading Elgato's Control Center app. Once the app is installed, you can control everything from your desktop. You've got the brightness, you can go really dim to super bright, and you've also got color temperature. You can go from cool white to warm white, just like that, nice and easy. But this is where it actually matters. The light is super soft, it's really even, and it just makes everything look way more professional instantly. There are no harsh shadows, no weird colour tint, just super clean lighting. And the reason it looks better is because the light is bigger and softer, so it wraps around your face instead of creating harsh shadows. And it actually makes your camera look better too. There's less noise and a sharper image as well, just because it has a lot more light to work with. I just love that I don't have to worry about filming before it gets dark anymore, because this key light works perfect anytime. Here's an example of it during the day. And here it is at night. Not only does the lighting improve my video a lot, but it's really easy on the eyes and it runs pretty cool too, so you're not going to get cooked while filming. I found that it works best above eye level, angled down, and that's what gives it that soft, even look. At least that's what works for me. I really like how simple it is. There are no massive stands, nothing complicated. It just sits on your desk and works. The telescopic pole extends all the way up to 125 centimeters, which is really tall, so you can set it up to your ideal height. I will say though, it's not the cheapest at $159.99, but if you're filming content often, then the difference it makes is definitely worth it. I mean, going from this to this, it's a pretty big upgrade. I've used cheaper lights before, and the main difference is that they tend to be a lot harsher and offer less control. But the Elgato Key Light gives you that softer lighting and way more control. The difference is night and day. Going from this to this, yeah, I'd recommend it for sure.